Hey everyone, it's me again, MUA Black Swan, and welcome back to another wig review. And this one is, as you can see, yeah, she's everything. She's giving what it needs to be gave. So, I will be giving y'all all the highlights and what I like about this wig and what I don't like and all the details of this wig. So, if you want to know that, keep on watching. This wig was sent to me by XrsBeauty, and these are the little treats that came inside. They gave me a wig cap, a lashes, a comb, extra elastic bands, a edge brush, and also they gave me flexi rods. So yeah, that was really nice of them to do that. So this is the wig in all its glory. This is how it looks straight out of the box without me washing it yet. I didn't plug it, I didn't bleach the knots. This is exactly how it looks. Hence why it looks so good. Like, they did all the work. This wig is honestly ready to go if you are comfortable installing your own wig. And obviously their claim to fame is their lace. So I'm going to do a quick demo on the regular lace. I'm going to use the Xrsbeauty Free Spray, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's a little wetted with the Xrsbeauty spray versus their new HD clear lace. So I actually, ooh, Lord have mercy, I can't talk. So I went ahead and sprayed it pretty generously so you can get like a pretty realistic view of how the lace takes to the spray. And I actually put like a time lapse on it because it took, I just put it in front of a fan and let it dry on its own. And then I took the HD clear lace, the one that is on the wig that I'll be showing you in the video. And I'm doing the same thing, and I will be putting the time lapse on it because it took a few minutes for it to dry up. Okay, so this is how it looks with the Xrsbeauty Free Spray all dried up. As you can see, the difference between the regular transparent lace versus the HD lace, it just melts into the skin way more. Um, how do you say it? It looks more natural. It just looks like it blends right into your skin, and you don't have to tint the lace or anything. Versus the transparent lace, you probably have to do some tinting in it, which is nothing wrong with. If your wig has regular lace, you're not gonna die. But having the HD clear lace does upgrade the look. It's less work for you, and it gives the wig as a whole a lot more natural look to it. It looks way more unassuming. So now I'm just going through the wig and I'm cutting off the extra lace in the back of the wig. I usually don't cut it, but I've noticed that, sometimes when wind kicks up, you can see like a little peekaboo of lace, and that's not cute. And also, like when I'm recording myself, I'm doing my videos with my wig on, you can see like peaks of lace, like, because it's just too long. So I went ahead and cut the back, and then I went ahead and cut the front. I cut the front, but I left a lot of lace for the, you see how nice that looks? But I left a lot of lace for the ears because I have to cut the ears on my head, which I've mentioned in a lot of my videos. So just so I can get it more precise, I cut in front of my ear, and then I go ahead and cut into the wig. Like, I cut into the wig. So it will actually like tuck behind my ears. And even if the cut is jagged, when I install it, it still looks good no matter what. So if you're inexperienced, I just recommend, just don't be afraid. Just go ahead and just cut it while it's on your head, and just be careful when you're cutting into the wig. Cut a little at a time. Don't cut off big chunks. So yeah, but as I really want y'all to see how it looks before it's even glued down, how that HD lace blends right in. And I don't have any makeup on. I have makeup on my face, but I don't have any makeup on the wig. So no matter what skin tone you are, it's gonna blend right in. And if you're able to install it without glue, you're able to do that because the lace blends right in. If you're able to make it snug, then do that. But because I really like this wig. I was planning on wearing it for like at least 2 days, at least, before I move on to my next wig. So I do the usual. I go ahead and use the Ghost Blonde, or I use Bold Hold, and I go ahead and spread that on with the ball cap method. And I did put makeup on the on my stocking cap. Now I did notice the next day the lace started lifting. I didn't put enough Ghost Bond or Bold, whatever I use. I think I used Ghost Bond this time. It started lifting. So, I touched it up. It was looking really good. I got a lot of compliments on the wig. But it did kind of slip away from the wig cap. So you could see like a little distinct line because the lace is very much clear. So I'm just giving y'all a heads up. If you're going to install it, or you have your hairdresser install it, make sure that your hairline is matching your wig cap if you're doing that, because you will see it, because the lace is very much HD. It's very much transparent. It's very much going to give you scalp. Okay. So if you have two tints, like if you have your skin and then you have the lace, you have your stocking cap and then you have the tint of your skin, you're going to see that line. You're going to see that transition through the wig, because I'm telling you, this looks like butter. Like when you put it on, you can see right through it. So yeah, just be aware of that. And then also they plucked this hairline to perfection. So yeah, just make sure that honestly, this type of wig, because the hairline is so convincing, if you're not comfortable installing it, I would go ahead and then just get a friend to install it, or just go ahead and go to a hairdresser and have them just install the hairline. That's it. I'll put like 4 cornrows in, and I would do everything else myself. I would just have them glue it down, because I would want this wig to show its full potential. So if you're not comfortable with it for the first time wearing it, just go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. There is a discount code. I do have a discount code. It's MUA15, and you can get 15% off the wig. And this wig is 20 inches, 200% density, and it is a straight style wig. The lace is a 13 by 6, and the hairline, look how clean that hairline is. I'm going to go ahead and do some parting so y'all can see, but this is unreal. It's unreal. I don't know what's going on, but a lot of these wig companies, they're applying pressure. They're competing for who has the best wigs now. Now that everything is like, people are shopping again and going back outside, they're competing, because people are not playing around with the things that they're buying. Because hello, if you actually have a 9 to 5 and you actually have to go outside to work, you're not going to be playing around getting any old type of hair. If you have to spend over $100 on anything nowadays, I feel like a lot of companies that actually value their customers, they're going to be putting out a lot more quality. I've noticed better quality in a lot of my products. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I've noticed that. I've noticed way more quality in my products in the past probably like 3 or 4 months than I've had seen in the past probably like 4 years, because everything was getting like really cheap. Okay. Even handbags were getting like really cheap. They were like cutting corners. So now I'm starting to see so many companies reaching out and then giving these bomb wigs. My last 3 videos, they were like really good. And then this one right here, this hair right here, I mean, like, it just goes to show like how amazing it is. So anyway, I went ahead, and after I laid down my baby hairs and have everything secured, this night I had this wig on. I went ahead and I wanted to be like really full of curls, because I was actually going out and I was pressed for time, and I knew that this curling iron was not going to do the trick, because I ran out of like flexible hold hairspray. So I went ahead and put flexi rods throughout the whole hair. It's 200% density. So if you do want to use flexi rods, get you 3 packs of flexi rods. 2 packs is not going to be enough. You need 3. So I used the 2 packs that I had. Then I used the pack that they gave me for the back. So I put the I curled it with the curling iron, then I used the flexi rods. I only had the flexi rods in for 30 minutes, which is not enough time. But this is how it looks. It still looks amazing. Like, I still look really cute on the way out the door. So I highly recommend this wig. I hope this video was helpful to you on your next wig purchase. Okay. And thank y'all guys for watching. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.